So within Dext, I've got 3 bills that I need to allocate so to review before it goes into Zoho Books. So let's have a look at the first one. So it's given me the clues of what I need to do. So it's pulled the data through. It's telling me that I need to look at the category. So it's pulled through all of my data from Zoho Books. So this security charge I am going to enter as, I think I've got general expenses, there we go. And I can click this, save me having to enter it itself. The tax is, I'm going to say, is 20%, so standard rate. And I'm going to say, no, it hasn't been paid already. So I'm going to hit publish on that. And then it's immediately taking me to the next one. So this one here is saying that complete the payment method field. So this one here is saying it's February office cleaning. There was no tax, so I'm just going to enter this as 0 rate for now. And again, I'm going to say that no, it hasn't been paid, and I'm going to publish. And then our last one is ABC Furniture. So it's pulled up ABC Furniture. The category can be furniture or office equipment. So here we can set it up as a supplier rule, so every time something comes through from ABC Furniture, it will say it always goes to here. Let's say it's office desk, and we're going to say here that it is 20% standard rate, and no, it hasn't been paid for now. Publish. So we've done 3 that have come through. So now if we hop into Zoho Books, I can see that if I go to MCO cleaning, already it is sitting there. So it's really, really quick integration, and you can see exactly everything that we've entered has pulled through correctly, where it's been coded to, and you've even got your file at the top there as well, and the comments and history as well. It's just giving you the thing that it's just come through. So great little bit of kit.